Delightful's read-alongs. Love, peace, and positivity. Mega Manners, Walmart distribution. It's dinner time, and Mega Manners is helping her mother with a task. She sets the table for dinner. She doesn't have to be asked. As they sit down at the table and her brother grabs for the bread, she says, "Here, let me help you. I'll pass it to you instead." Her little sister is slurping her soup. It's Mega Manners to the rescue. "I forgot to give you a spoon." Her little sister says, "Thank you." Mega Manners asks to be excused. As she clears the table, she smiles. Everyone pitches in to help. Good manners are always in style. I love you. God bless you. Mwah.